have a lot to give thanks for. The amount of battles me conquer. Jah, you know best for me, so me never question prayers we never answer. You ignore some of my wish them. You don't know what me a ball for. Find myself a John couple times, but you keep me head above water. I'm so happy, I just stare with smile. Emotions full of joy. Me go through a lot. Me deserve to feel this good if I even feel a while. Someone just a thank you a million times. I thank you in the right direction. Just continue to steer me. Me trust you, say no matter when man can't feel me. Forgive me if me miss a day if I tell you thanks. Cause me know that's something woman do daily. Try to save me. One time I feel like me did I go crazy. Work so hard and just feel like give up, so who do feel so bad if me delay? I'm